friends, today I am with the New Republic's new TWS, which is CyberStud X8, and the company claims that it can run up to 56 hours of playtime, and by standby it can go up to 310 hours. It has few modes, some of the features which I will read it out later on from the box. First, I will peel off the polythene what is wrapped. Now here you can see it comes in a grey color. On the side it is written that it comes with the 13mm Neodyne drivers with also Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, touch controls, voice assistant, environmental noise cancellation, which is also known as ENC. There is also dual mode for gaming and music. It comes with the X bass technology, which gives the deeper bass and gives you a better vibration on your ears, and the experience of music elevates for sure. In the box, what we are getting, let's check it out first. So here I will put the box case. It looks a little premium packaging. In the box we are getting these earbuds which are in the silver color. The company is calling it as a sterling silver, and this is the only color coming for CyberStud X8. In the box we are also getting some paperwork including sticker, user manual. I will definitely recommend you guys to go and check this. And these are some paper works which we are getting. There is also charging cable. It comes with the Type-C charging cable. Also a dual pair of ear tips inside this box, as there is one pair of ear tips already installed on the TWS, which is in the medium size, and the small and large ear tips are present inside this wrap. So this is, you can see, Type-C charging cable, and now I will show you. There are dual pair of ear tips which are small and large. The medium one is already installed on the earbuds. Now talking about these TWS, it comes in the silver color. This will be the only color coming for these model, and it has the LED lights in the front. Overall it comes with a very futuristic design look, and on the back side here is the charging slot for Type-C port. This is the look what we are getting. If you open the case, there are two earbuds right and left, but there is no percentage or anything shown in this case. This is a very normal and minimalistic design. Even the ear tips also has the LED lighting on it. It is very light in weight. Overall this weighs 40 grams. Feels very light while holding also. The LED light is in blue color while it is charging the ear tips, but when you are charging the case, it will blink into the white light, which I will show later on. The metallic finish adds the sleek and the premium feel, and definitely I have tried and used it. The pairing is very easy, and while pairing you will get the name as CyberStud X8. Now this is how you will charge your charging case. Currently I am using a third-party charging cable, and this is not the cable what we got in the box. This is how it will be blinking in the white color when the case is being charged. I will show later, and once you are charging it, this will do the blinking. It takes 1.5 hours to do the complete charge, and the ear tips will have a playing time of 7 hours. The TWS can run up to 7 times, and in standby it can go up to 310 hours. The TWS can give you up to 7 hours of playtime, which I have tried and tested, and it looks pretty much elegant. It is very light in weight, which I have already told you. The drivers come with 13mm Neodyne drivers, and overall it looks very elegant. Here you can see now it is showing the blue LED light. Earlier it was white LED light during charging the case, but right now it will be charging the ear tips. Ear tips also supports the voice assistant, includes the Siri and Google voice assistant at the same time. It also has a dual mode which will enhance your gaming and the music experience. The pairing is very easy. While pairing, it will ask you to give the permission for phone call access, media and audio access, and also allow you to access the contact and the call history. This is completely up to you. Even if you want to keep the volume consistent, you can do that. I have used these earbuds fits very easily in my ears and stays without any problem. Now let's talk about the function and features which I got while using. So from the right earbud you can increase the volume, and from the left earbud you can decrease the volume. This you can do by tapping once on the earbuds. So on tapping right side once, it will increase. On the tapping on the left side, it will decrease. Double tap on left or right will play or pause the audio. It can also be useful while to take the call or disconnect the call. Triple tap can switch you to next or previous song, which is very easy, and tapping 4 times will switch to music mode or gaming mode. After that, the last three is the voice assist. If you are connected with the Android phone, it will trigger Gemini, and if you are connected with the iPhone, it will trigger the Siri. So these are the voice assistant it supports, and it works flawlessly for both the situation. I will definitely recommend you guys to go and check through the user manual. So the New Republic CyberStud X8 is available 899 on the online platforms. You can go and check it out. We have done few more reviews of the New Republic product which you can find in our channel. This is all about the New Republic CyberStud X8. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.